everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making another simple recipe that kids can make on their own. So we are going to make a bagel that you can eat for breakfast or lunch for the whole week. So let's get to it. So first I'm going to be making the base. So I'm gonna be making 3 cream cheese bagels. So I'm gonna open a cream cheese and then just put it on. There we go. Now I'm going to be spreading the cream cheese onto our bagel. And these are all different kinds of recipes, but they are all delicious and you should try all of them. Looks so good. Okay, 1 bagel finished, 2 more to go. Just looking at it makes me hungry. Alright, almost done. One more to go. Round and round and round. Ooh, 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 ooh. That cream cheese. There we go. Now our cream cheese is done. We're going to set that aside. Now we're going to make 2 soy butters. Now if you're allergic to peanut butter like I am, just use soy butter. No worries, you're not missing out anything. They both taste the same. So we're going to add some soy butter. Delicious. Some more. All right, 1 soy butter done, 1 more to go. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. All right, that one's done. Now we're gonna do half soy butter and half jelly. Look at that. A little more soy butter. Now we're gonna do our jelly. our jam. There we go. So that you have your base. Now we are going to be putting the toppings on. So first for cream cheese, I'm going to add some apples. Look how good that looks. Looks so yummy. More apples. Alright, so we got our apples done. Now we're going to be doing strawberry. Look how good that looks. Alright, now we're going to be doing avocados. So yummy. Alright, now we're done. Now we're going to be moving on to our soy butter. Now we're going to do this one, bananas. For bananas, now we're going to do some berries. And I believe no more raspberries. Okay. So we got our berries. Now for this one, the half jelly, half soy butter, we're going to be sprinkling on some chia seeds. And you can sprinkle on some chia seeds on any of them if you want, but I'm doing it for this one because we got other ones. So we sprinkled some chia seeds on. Now for our apples, we are going to be drizzling some honey. Now you could put honey on either one you want, but I think apples and honey go great together. So I'm drizzling some honey. Come on, honey, share. Okay, great. Now we're going to be doing some honey with the strawberries. There we go. Now we are going to be moving on to our avocados. Alright, when you do, you can use pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, whatever type of seeds or nuts you want. And this is also yummy, delicious, at the same time it's very healthy. So we're going to put them on. There we go. Now we are going to be doing our banana. We're going to be sprinkling some chia seeds on as well. Alright, now we're going to be, and that's all. So now I'm going to pick one to try, and I'm going to be doing strawberries because who says no to strawberries? So let's take a bite. Fantastic. Yum. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bells for more videos. Bye, see you next time. And I hope you enjoy your bagel. Bye.